The United States Army missile Redeye was one of the first man-portable air defense systems introduced to give infantry units a reliable way to counter low-flying aircraft. Developed during the Cold War era, its purpose was to provide a lightweight and mobile weapon that soldiers could carry into battle without the need for large vehicles or complex launch systems. The missile was designed with a shoulder-fired launcher, making it practical for individual use in fast-moving combat environments where air superiority was contested. The Redeye worked using an infrared homing guidance system that locked onto the heat signatures produced by enemy aircraft engines. This allowed operators to aim and fire with relative simplicity, as the missile would then track its target autonomously. However, the early generations of the system had limitations, including sensitivity to background heat and vulnerability to countermeasures such as flares. These issues sometimes reduced its accuracy and effectiveness in high-intensity combat scenarios, especially when facing advanced aircraft with defensive technologies. Despite these shortcomings, the Redeye was a significant advancement for its time. It allowed ground troops to engage enemy aircraft without depending solely on larger, vehicle-mounted air defense systems. The portability of the weapon meant it could be carried across difficult terrain and used in places where heavier systems could not reach, making it particularly valuable for infantry operating in isolated or rugged conditions. Eventually, the Redeye was phased out as newer technology emerged. Its successor, the FIM-92 Stinger missile, offered improvements in range, accuracy, and resistance to countermeasures, making it more dependable in modern warfare. Even though it was replaced, the Redeye remains historically important as one of the pioneering man-portable air defense systems that shaped the development of future shoulder-fired missile technology.